Hello everyone, welcome to Learnowledge. Today we'll be discussing about angular pipes. So we'll be discussing what is pipe, what are built-in pipes, how we can do the chaining in pipes, what are custom pipes, and we'll do some practice. So what is a pipe? It is used to transform string, currency amounts, dates, and other data for display, and these are simple functions that you can use in template expression to accept an input value and return a transformed value. In Angular, there are two types of pipes. One is built-in pipes, which is provided by Angular team, and second one, the custom pipes, which we can create our own and we can provide the definition as per our need. So let's discuss those one by one. So we have our application here. So let me just create a simple variable, public data type string. Hey there. So Angular provides various pipes. Let's create H2 tag, and in H2 tag provide the curly brackets, your value of the data, then a pipe symbol, and you can use various pipes provided by Angular, such as uppercase. So when you save this thing, so hey there is coming in uppercase. Similarly, we have lowercase. When you save it, here we go. Similarly, we have title case. So what title case is? Every single character of your string or of your word, the first character will be in capital. We also have some other functions as well, like slice, starting index, and ending index. So when you save it, it says y. So what it did, it starts from 2, 0, 1, 2, and ending with 4, excluding. So it's like 0, 1, 2, then space, and this 4. So it excluded the fourth character, and we have our sliced string. So here in this pipe, we are passing two parameters. First is this starting index, and another one is the ending index, that is excluding. So in a similar way, Angular also provided a few of other pipes. So let's just create a simple JSON, and let's just try to print it on the DOM. So it would be like public sample JSON, name Sam, age 45. So when you try to print this sample JSON into double curly bracket, it will be coming as an object. But what Angular provides, another pipe, that is JSON. So it will automatically convert this JSON into a readable format. So you are able to view your JSON object into a DOM. We also have some other pipes like there's a number pipe. So what it's doing, let's say we have a number and it starts with one parameter, and it only accepts one parameter, and that would be one string that says like let's say number of character, minimum number of character before the decimal, the minimum number of character post the decimal, and maximum number of character after the decimal. So when you save this thing, it's like that. So if you change something, let's say save it to like 74, so it will add 0 automatically. So in this way you can use number pipe as well. We also have percent. So let's say if you have a value 0.36, and if you add pipe symbol and then write percent, so it will automatically convert this value to percentage and will append the percentage sign. We also have the currency pipe. So let's just say you have some value here, and if you write currency, so by default the default currency and the region is US, so it's giving us the US value, US dollar 67. So but we have an option to provide the region as well in order to generate the currency in our other region. So for that one we just need to pass some currency code. So for India it is INR, for Europe is EUR, so you can try that. So if you save this up, so it's coming as with rupee 67. Same goes with other currency code, so you can easily find it on internet when you search it for the currency code. Another thing is we also have a very long list of date pipe. Basically Angular provides the date, and there are many formats. So I mean it's very rich. So let me just create a simple date object first. So let's just say public date object goes to new date, and when you use date object and when you simply just save it, so it's coming as the default date. I mean it's containing all the things like uh, the day, and the day of week as well, and also the zone and various other stuff. In order to display it in your preferred format, we have various formats available in the official Angular documentation, so you can check that out. So one of them is full. So when you save that as like full, so it's coming as this thing. When you type short, So it's coming as like this. We have medium as well. So it's like this. Also, if you want to append, or if you say if you want to do the pipe chainings, you can have an option in Angular as well. Like you can uh, provide or apply multiple pipes at once to your data. So let's just say if you want our date to be in all uppercase, so you can use uppercase pipe here like this. So all the dates or all the things will be coming in uppercase. First, the date object has been read out. Then this pipe was applied with this particular parameter, and based on the definition, it provides the date object into this format, and after that, it applies the uppercase pipe. So in the similar way, you can reuse the predefined pipes in your Angular application, and also you can leverage various other parameter that it supports. So that's all for today. In the next session, we will be discussing about the custom pipe, like how we can create our own custom pipes and define our own logic. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and comment your query in the comment section, and please hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any update. Thank you.